Modern world markets require a continuous flow and distribution of materials, goods and products. Automatic conveyors guarantee the reliable transport between processing sites and warehouses. Our experience shows that these transport ways have to be closed in case of fire, as fires of a certain dimension are not extinguishable anymore. Openings in ceilings or walls are provided with approved fire protection closures to contain the fire to a defined compartment. This fire compartment can be protected by using a Stöbich solution. Although fire is raging in this area, almost nothing is visible on the opposite side. The insurance companies play an important role by interfacing with the customer and the equipment suppliers. In principle, there are three different constructions available. Universal B, closed construction, the blade is hidden within a closed casing. RGT, open construction, the blade is in the open position visible as well. And Omni-Shot, deviant to the RGT. Its construction is created with a foamed steel metal construction. Newest production engineering allows us a production which is state-of-the-art. Scientific tests which are done in cooperation with the Technical University of Braunschweig, Germany and other technical universities guarantee the highest quality standard of our fire protection closures all the time. Airport Frankfurt, Germany. Here 24 hours a day, conveyor systems provide a smooth transport of luggage and goods. Belt conveyors are the main transport systems at airports around the world. The protection of passengers and airport personnel is the first priority. In case of fire, fire protection closures by Stöbich provide safety. The belt conveyors and the supporting constructions continuously run through the closure. A pair of rollers brings the lower belt near the upper belt. Another possibility is reversing the belts through a sleeve and foaming up at 120 degrees Celsius. These closures, using slide or flap solutions, are suitable for light and heavy inflammable conveyor belts. In case of fire, smoke detectors activate the control system to guarantee the combined action between conveyed material, conveyor system and fire protection closure. With the use of photoelectric cells, luggage is removed from the closing area. The closure closes automatically, the fire is contained. In many cases, it's necessary that the systems run continuously through a closure to achieve an optimum conveying process. A combination of special materials enables to shut off the continuing metal parts in such a way that the temperature of the side, which is not exposed to the fire, does not exceed 180 degrees Celsius. This know-how guarantees that parts on that side, which is not exposed to the fire, do not catch fire. The danger becomes evident during a fire test. Closures without sufficient protection against radiation, as for example this roller shutter or single-notch doors to embrace continuing conveyor systems, do not offer sufficient protection against the spread of fire via the conveyor system, respectively the conveyed material to the limiting fire compartment. This insulated solution by Stöbich for the sales of BMW has been designed exactly to the profile of the chain of the conveyor system. To provide efficient fire protection, no changes were required, even for this roller conveyor. In case of fire, a gap in the lower part of the door will safely enclose the bridging roller of the conveyor system. In case of fire, intelligent control elements or clearing systems with high potential, respectively mechanical spring-type energy, ensure the clearing of the closing area. For example, this special type for tilting conveyors. Rotating brushes clear the closing area. Sloping roller conveyors, which move the goods only by gravity, are another possibility. Therefore, an automatic delay in case of fire alarm is sufficient to clear the closing area safely and to close the system. The newspaper conveyor is a very special type of a chain conveyor system. This design shows special sleeves which are integrated into the closure. As the plastic grips are easily inflammable, the speed of foaming has been increased to a maximum by a patented procedure. Now the adaptation is perfect, quick-acting and safe. In case of fire, the newspaper is transferred outward by a diverter ahead of the closure or by a clearing system. Tailor-made quality at Odermark, a men's designer in Goslar proof that Stöbich solutions are the ideal fire protection closures. No modifications in the construction of the conveyor system near the closure are necessary for the fire protection. The solution of the two-rail system is as follows: automatic tight closing doors and a closing procedure which is adjusted to the conveyor system. Here, for instance, you see a sleeve solution with inflatable components. This inventive system is the optimized, safe solution for all electric monorail systems, circular conveyors, power and free, as well as overhead systems. Pneumatic conveyor systems move even smallest particles by airflow. In case of passing through firewalls, fireproof closures are required. The proven construction of the blade avoids disadvantages of clap solutions and has no negative effect on the conveying process. This system can be used in wall or ceiling openings. The design of the sealing system depends on the use of over or under pressure in the conveyor. The Stöbich control system is a proven, tested 24 hours per day system. It guarantees a perfect coordination between conveyor system, product and fire protection closure. These control units coordinate the closing and, if necessary, the emergency power backup supply in case of fire. Numerous national and international tests, according to the national testing standards, underline our worldwide efforts. Stöbich fire protection systems withstand even the toughest cycle tests. After more than 200,000 cycles, Stöbich systems still perform extremely smooth. During manufacturing, it is already assured that even after years, the conveyor system closures will still operate frictionless. Tested security even during installation of our fire protection closures. Besides from consultation, our team also takes care of the official coordination. We also include regular maintenance schedules and functional tests to assure continuous satisfaction with your investment in the Stöbich closure for centuries.